Welcome back. This is a photo book, or should I rather say these are photo books? See, there's 7 of them already. All different events with different names. See, all containing 21 photos within each of them. So basically, what a photo book is essentially is it's a hardbound thing with 20 pages inside, all photos. It has back cover and the front cover. Yeah. So we usually get this for only basically paying for the shipping on Shopee. And this is a complete guide to how to do that, and also an introduction to photo books and maybe some of their other products there, which are all quite compelling. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So this is the app, but more than that, what's more important is that you get Shopee. Yes. And then the easiest way to go to it is, as you know, right now is a payday sale day. If you go to the flash deal section, and this is how we usually find it, you go to load and e-vouchers, then you scroll down until you see the photo book item here. It's usually here, and usually during, you see here right now, it's an 8x12 portrait canvas print, portrait landscape canvas print that is on for 8 o'clock. Usually, and this is almost without fail, during both payday sales and the double of a month, you can see photo book on the flash deal section. Every flash timing, there's a different one. So we'll go to 10 o'clock, look at the vouchers here, and we should be able to see it here. See, it's a different item. This is an 8x8, normally priced at 22, and it's gonna be priced just 100, over 100 pesos, maybe 190 or something, I'm not sure. That will be the price when it hits 10 o'clock. This specific one is similar to this on the 12 o'clock timing today. There's an e-voucher here for the 6x6. Here. This is the voucher, a 6x6 hardcover simple book. That's exactly this one. So when you go to it, see, right now it's priced at 109. At 12 o'clock, it's going to be priced at just 1 peso. And there's like maybe a limit of 60 that they're selling for each flash timing. Now, when you buy a voucher, it appears on your account, digital purchases, and then lifestyle. You can see it here. This one has a validity period of up to July 29th. So it's usually 90 days from the date of purchase. That means this was from last month, I believe. And you can see here the other photo books that we have already brought. Here, this already expired, as you can see. Let's look at this and try to redeem it. Yeah. So let's go here, the expired voucher. So you can see there's a voucher code here, and we will use that voucher code eventually on the app. So this is the app, Photobook app. You get it. It has iOS and Android. So this is a 6x6 simple book. So you can see it here, simple book, 6x6. How we do it is you go there, and then you have your entire phone library here, just to show you uh, how the photobook process works. So here it will say to you there's a minimum 21 photos that you need to identify. So let's choose, like, for example, these sofas, 1, 2, 3, 4, just random things, 20 and 21. Okay, so you select 21 photos, and then you go next, and then the app auto configures it into a book. This first, it shows you the back cover and front cover, and then here on top you have toggles for how you want photos to be displayed on your pages. Now, we find that for simple books like this, the best way is to go with this one. So it uses the entire page and you get the most value for your money. If you choose this, you can see that everything is automatically resized. Now, what you need to know is that you don't have any controls here of brightness or whatever changes. All you can do, really, all right? So you have arrangement controls, but that's about it. And maybe some, you have some small control on, if you, for example, import a 4x3, you can tell the app what the centering would be like. For example, this chair, as you can see, it will print the non-red, so you can choose which part of it you really want to show. For example, if we go here, so you only have these. Let's just reset this. So you have rotation control, crop, and then, yeah, let's go back. And then if you want to move the photos from one page to another, you just hold and drag it, and they will exchange places. If you do it like this, it will push all the others down, or exchange. No, it just exchanged position. Let's try it again. Yep, it's a position change. Now, what if you wanted to put some more? You can do that, of course, by pressing this add photo here. And then you add 2 and then delete a page that you don't want. Just you need to end up with this 20. The last page will be the 20th page, and then your inside back cover. This will be the front cover, and you can change the name of the thing, like, for example, sale items, because that's what these are. As you can see, that will appear there, and it will appear like that. For example, okay, I want this book now. You press next, and then you title your project. Now, this project title is not gonna appear anywhere in your book, so let's just call it temp A. Yep. And then it will try to get you to upsize, which will make you pay more. So the next page is also product upgrades, so we don't really need it. Premium silk paper is not bad. It's not. The quality is, it's like one of those magazines. It's not bad. It's very usable. So without changing anything, you add that to your cart. And this would allow you to use your voucher. So here, as you can see right now, it's costing 345. Here, you press this apply voucher code, and you get this from the Shopee code that we were looking at earlier. It's this one. You need to, You basically pay for this shipping. So this will be 1 peso. Nothing here. 1 peso shipping, and then that's it. You pay that through GCash. After the payment is processed, you will get something like this. You can share your project to some other people so they can look at it. Then, if they wanted, they could actually buy it also. So yeah, as you can see, we already have some vouchers lined up for the next round. We usually get 1 or 2 so that we don't just get them expired. So that's it. I hope that would help you make your own photo book and, you know, find something to do during the weekend and whenever. Get photos out of your phone into the real world, right? So that's about it for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. I will see you again next time. Bye, guys.